Hi Krista, it's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Thank you for your interest in leasing this 2020 Toyota Camry SE model. It's a great choice. You picked a great color, one of the most popular ones, pre-dawn gray it's called. And this is an amazing car. You get climate control, air conditioning, so you can set the temperature and forget it. It has all Toyota safety features, lane keep assist, radar cruise control, pre-collision system, automatic high beams. It's got good looking dual exhausts on the back. And this particular one that you selected does have the black interior, and you get built-in Sirius XM radio, power driver's seat, of course power windows, locks, and cruise control, radar cruise control, which I mentioned. And I appreciate your interest in leasing this with payments under $300 a month. You picked out a great car. Just let me know when you'd like to come in and take it for a spin. I'm at 253-394-0046, or you can reply to this email that I sent you, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.